Hey, secretly, found a head. So many dishes. Take this one. I can't pretend anymore. I'll just eat. Oh my, I'm content even if I ate it. Hey, it's too dry and hard. I can't eat it anymore. Hey, it's too dry and hard. I can't eat it. Ouch, this Guangzhou cuisine is not as good as this. You want that kind secretly, here. You go down, I'll make 4 vegetable dishes. This hot money is here, I'll get some pickled cabbage. Mixing cold pickled cabbage saves on rice. This slowly also increases, sweat then comes out.
Tell you to go to that side of the green vegetables. Tell you to go to that side of the green vegetables.
It's just secretly, occupied a tree root. I have so many vegetables.
I ate it then came for a green onion. What did his family make?
So much oil. The weather today is too hot, it's over 30 degrees. You do that part of my business, stay somewhere cooler.
Yeah, I'm doing much less today. I have to get up early in the morning. Just give you the business part.
Got up and went after I finished the new one. Haha, I am giving it to you. Haha, I am giving it to you. Little sister, this business isn't starting up, only making pickled vegetables.
Oh, the pickled vegetables are pickled. The business part is settled.
No, the weather is too hot today. The two of us only need 3, okay. Several hundred people, this one is over 30 degrees oh. Slowly cook. In this there is no pouring out, no.
Here I estimate I put the oil there.
Oh, I am coming. Heard it. Why must you insist on taking it apart? The house is just left like that. Arrived at that bitter belief again, look. That flower is becoming real. Got 3 caddies for myself, comfortable. Yeah, this is indeed cool. Can't take this heat anymore, feeling restless.
This little thing is called. Just this sound, little Q, after all the things.
Little Q. Yes, it is just cool. I still want to eat, look. I'll give it to you to eat. Of course I'll eat, after eating we have to find you. Sure, I'll add some for you. Because I like my liquor heated. Because I like my liquor heated. Beauty, hurry up and go. Don't bring us some flashlights after you go. After you go, you need to be cooler when sleeping and drinking water at night, so you can sleep more peacefully.
If you like this my video, please subscribe my channel.